Good morning, evening, or afternoon. Welcome back to the channel. If it is your first time here, my name is Gigo. And today I have an update of the Hill project. In my previous episode, we looked at the foundation block laying and also the pillar for the foundation. So we continue with the filling of the lightrights. We requested for 14 tracks to fill the foundation, but it looked like we will need one more in addition. So take this as a motivation, of building a house in Ghana or Africa. If you want to begin, it doesn't matter, the challenges. The challenges are there to make you strong. So if you come across any challenge, with your progress of building or moving to Ghana or doing anything in Ghana or Africa, just embrace it. Sometimes you need team, to help you to navigate through these challenges. So if you are about to begin with your project in Ghana and you need a competent team, that you can work with hand in hand, then this is, a channel that you should consider. You can send me email elgigogh@gmail.com, and then we take it from there. And can you please do support the channel by liking the video and also sharing it with friends and family to motivate each other. Don't also forget to subscribe to the channel. It's very important. I know most of you here have been here for like a long time but still haven't subscribed to the channel yet. Kindly please do, and then let's support the movement. So are you ready for today's episode? If you are ready, then let's go.
You can see this is the distance at which we are managing because it cannot come closer to the site. This is the distance we are managing from the top there where the houses are. It's sent down here to where the block is. It will take more distance to the down here before the pouring. So it's not easy for human to climb. When you climb 1, 2, 3 times, you are going to lose your feet. You see, I said no there about
Yes,
8 now, about
there is 7.
7 now, about okay. And this is 7 now, but now with the next 7 or 7, and the calculation of the paper. Yeah. And you just say a friend, say car train at the bar at the time because we did. because we are on a feeling. Because of the hill is just consuming more fuel. The normal fuel is supposed to use for the day with but 1 yellow gallon addition. This is the eighth trip, and it's left with this. So the next six making 14, we fill it. Yes, so we are having a foundation now. We will run these ions to be the beams to hit the columns over here, over it, and put a mesh on it. So for now, we are going to soak it. We are going to soak it very high for everything to settle down. Then we compress it. That is the compaction. Yes, this is where we are for the day. The machine is going. Still the tippers are in the pit, so when they come, we will continue. We see how we go by it. It have left with some small portion over here, which we take about one trip and then we top it up. So what we requested, we may need almost one extra. So that's all
So this brings us to the end of today's
for now.
episode. As he said, we still have to finish
That's
with the
where we are.
last track, and then we're gonna do some reinforcement work, which is the casting of the beams from the basement to the columns of the foundation, so that they connect together and they support each other. So stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for staying with me till this far. I really do appreciate your time spent on the channel, and I'll see you in my next episode. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let's get to it.